Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. I'm John Brunner, your go-to expert in all things real estate. Today, we're diving into an essential topic for both homeowners and potential buyers: understanding how to identify load-bearing walls in a home. This knowledge is crucial whether you're considering renovations or you just want to understand the structure of your home a little better. So let's get started. Now, imagine a game of Jenga. Each block represents a part of the house. Now, think of a load-bearing wall as the foundation blocks. Remove them without care and the whole structure becomes unstable, just like a teetering Jenga tower. Knowing where these walls are is not just about planning renovations, it's about preserving the integrity and safety of your home. Misidentifying load-bearing walls can lead to disastrous consequences like sagging floors, cracked walls, and in extreme cases, a partial collapse of the structural components. That's why it's so crucial to pinpoint them accurately. In our first method, head down to your basement or the lowest level of your house. Your task here is to observe the alignment. Look for a wall on the floor above and see if it matches up with something structural below, like a beam or a column. This is often a clue that the wall above is load-bearing. Think of it as a pillar holding up a structure. That alignment ensures the weight from the roof or upper floors is transferred all the way to the ground and onto some sort of structural footing. This method is very straightforward. If there's structural support directly below a wall, that wall above is likely important for holding up your house. Now, another tip. Let's talk about the roof, specifically if you have a truss roof. What's a truss roof? It's a type of roof structure made from a series of triangular units constructed with straight, slender members connected at the ends by joints. Truss roofs are designed to distribute the weight of a roof evenly to the exterior walls, reducing the need for load-bearing interior walls. So in homes with truss roofs, you'll often find that interior walls that have the roof or attic directly above them are not load-bearing, while the exterior walls are. It's a clever design that helps in creating open spaces inside without risking the structural integrity of your home. If your home is a truss roof, your focus should be on the exterior walls if you have a ranch home, or the exterior walls of the top floor of a multi-level house when you're looking for a load-bearing wall. Finally, let's talk about joists and how their direction can help you identify load-bearing walls. First, what is a joist? A joist is a critical part of your floor system which span horizontally, carrying and evenly distributing the load of the floor and everything on the floor down to vertical structural members such as columns, foundation walls, and etc. To use this method, go to your unfinished basement or any area of your home where you might be able to see your joists. Here, look at the direction these joists run. If you find a wall that's perpendicular to your floor joists, there's a chance it's a load-bearing wall. This is because such walls often act as a support column for the weight above, much like pillars of a bridge. Now, on the other hand, if a wall runs parallel to the direction of these joists, it's less likely to be load-bearing. These walls are typically just used to divide a space and don't have the same structural responsibility. And there you have it, a few simple tips and tricks to find load-bearing walls in your home. Remember though, handling these walls is not a DIY adventure. Always consult a pro. Need more guidance or thinking about buying or selling? Reach out to me, John Brunner, your real estate ally. Don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your community, and subscribe for more home secrets revealed. Let's build your dream home together safely and smartly.